Welcome to our 2-bedroom accommodation tour at Wychnor Park. We're staying in the main house, so we thought we'd show you this amazing, what would you call it, an apartment, I guess. So, as you pan round, you come through our front door here, you pan round, you're met with probably like the longest hallway I think I've ever seen in a Diamond Resorts property. It's huge. You've got a nice table here with a mirror to see yourself as you leave the apartment. We're gonna go through that furthest door. Got a little 8-legged friend up there as well. He's come to join us for our stay. So, into the kitchen and lounge and dining area. So you've got this beautiful kitchen right here. You've got to your left a fridge and freezer. Inside, don't get anything, but we've just stocked up on things at the shops around the corner. And your freezer, what have we got up here? Just some cupboard space. You've got your microwave and your oven just here. Underneath here, just some more storage. Up here, more storage, stuff for the microwave. You've got your hob here, your kitchen towel, and in this cupboard you've got your cups and saucers, as well as a jug and egg cups. If you're here with kids, there's some kids' plates, bowls and cups as well. And just lots of space to store all of your items for your stay. Nice empty cupboards. Down here you've got your kettle, lots of plugs, there's lots of outlets. The sink, which is all nice and clean. Anything up here? Oh, here's where your glassware is. So, wow, lots of glassware. I think you might be having a party if you're staying in this accommodation. Lots of tall glasses, short glasses, wine glasses and champagne flues. You may well be having a party if you're here. Another empty cupboard. And then underneath that, you've got the all-important coffee machine, which does come with coffee. So you've got some filter coffee just here that's Diamond Resorts branded, and decaf as well, which is very nice. You've also got some tea and sugars and salt and pepper there, and some more cups. Underneath the hob, you've just got these drawers. So you've got your cutlery here, you've got a couple of tea towels in there, big sharp knives, which is always good. Other items you should need, bottle openers and oven gloves, tin openers, that sort of thing. Under here we've got some more utensils. In this cupboard we've got some other bits for cooking. We've got your cheese grater, got a colander, got an oven-proof dish, chopping board, and a Pyrex jug down here, and a lemon, what would you call that? Lemon juicer? Lemon juicer, we'll go with that. Underneath the sink, we've got, so there's some dishwasher tabs there. There's also some washing tablets if you wanted to do some washing here, which means there is a washing machine somewhere in here. Let's try and find that. And then underneath here, you've got a dustpan and brush. Found the washing machine. It's next door to the dishwasher, which is just here. And next to the dishwasher, you've got all your plates and bowls and big salad bowls and things down there as well. And last but not least, in the kitchen, you have the all-important toaster and some more plugs here as well. So this is well equipped for different items that you're going to be plugging in the kitchen. So that wasn't the last thing in the kitchen. There is actually the bin. Of course, like every kitchen should have a bin. There's different pots there for recycling, which is always very good. And so let's move down to the lounge space. It's a really, really nice lounge this. Got nice blue sofas. Nice blue sofas, there's some nice cushions and things, and a coffee table. And a well-proportioned for the room TV. This is probably the perfect size TV for this space, which is really, really nice. And you used to get DVD players, but I don't think they do them in these anymore. I think you have to request them if you would like one. But who needs that nowadays? Because we're staying in the main house, there is something which is really, really cool. We're staying on the top floor, and so we have the old wooden beams, which is absolutely amazing. So this is throughout this whole apartment. You've got these wooden beams, wooden accents, which is really, really nice. Now we would show you the view, however, we got here at 10 o'clock in the winter and it is dark. But you can kind of see there's some parking out the front. If I remember to, I will show you it tomorrow. So I did remember, and this is the view from the lounge window, looking out at the front there. There's a little car park there. And then the better view is out of these windows that you get all across the countryside. Really, really nice. Really beautiful. A little bird bath down there. Is it a bird bath? No, it's a sundial in the little gardens just there. It's so, so nice. Up here you've got an appliance guide for the things in the kitchen. And you've also got a little save water, preserve life booklet, which is all about sustainability. They're quite good at that at Diamond Resort. This is the dining area. You've got 6 chairs. So this apartment does fit 6 people. Now there are only 2 of us staying in it this time, which is great. But you could, in effect, have a party in here. It's great, masses of space. I think one of these sofas is a sofa bed. And the last thing in this space is this wardrobe, which has the bedding in for the sofa bed, but also place to hang your clothes, spare towels, and mats for the table as well. So let's go and see the first bedroom. So opposite the mirror in the hall is the first bedroom. So let's see this one. This isn't the master bedroom, but this has 2 twin beds. So very nice, very good like feature wall there with your flashes of pink, which is really nice, and really nice beds. And something which we always love to point out whenever we do any sort of room tour is what is the USB situation with the plugs. The plugs are near the beds and they have USB charging points. Yes, brilliant. That's really good. That's what we like to see. And these beds are really comfy as well. Over in the corner over here we have a chair and a full-length mirror right behind it, which is really good. We've got a little chest of drawers right here, which would have at one point had a TV connected to it, but no longer a TV in here. And then this is the wardrobe. Massive, massive wardrobe space. And here is where the clothes area is as well. So the guests staying in the lounge area and in this room will have to use the bathroom, which is just next door to this room. So let's check that out next. So this is the bathroom that you would be sharing. Oh, that's actually on, that's really hot. So you've got your toilet right here and your sink, and it's a shower over the bath. Let me just move this door. So yeah, you've got your towels just above there. Nice shower and bath combo. It looks like quite a deep bath actually. It's quite nice. Now for the best part of this apartment, the master bedroom. It is amazing. Let's go and have a look. It is amazing. Just check out the size of the room. It is absolutely humongous. So big. When I opened the door earlier, I was actually shocked at how much space there actually is. There's so much room for activities. You could do like cartwheels in here, just avoiding obviously the beams that we have in here. But yeah, don't know where to start in this huge space. So let's start over here. We've got a nice chair with a full-length mirror like you have in the other rooms. The problem being on the top floor as well, you've got the creaky floorboards. So having to be a bit quiet because it is quite late that we're doing this. You've got this wardrobe right here. Loads of hangers. If you were staying here for a long time, this would be a great place. We're sadly only staying for 2 nights due to its close proximity to Alton Towers. So we're here for Alton Towers, which will be another vlog on our channel if you'd like to check that out. the fireworks at Alton Towers. You've got the same wallpaper as you have in the guest bedroom, in the twin bedroom. Really nice. And on this side, you've got obviously your lamp, but you've got the USB chargers as well, just here, which is fantastic. You've got a nice bedside table with the telephone. These beds are absolutely massive. I could lay this way and still be absolutely fine, but it's huge. At the end of the bed, you've got this little seat, which is always nice. We like a good seat at the end of the bed. And the same for the other side. You've got the USB plugs still, and the light, the lamp, and a nice bedside table. Another chair, and a little electric heater in here as well. I'd imagine it does get very cold. It's not too cold at the moment, but it's a little bit chilly, but these aren't even on, and it's fine. That's, I guess, the good part being at the top of the house. Heat rises. And so there's our window. Our car is just down there, which is really nice. It's just there. Another random plug just on the wall with USB chargers. I don't know what you would charge here that's USB. There's not a table or anything underneath it. Another little wardrobe space. This is where the iron and ironing board are, as well as a fan. So this is like a super modern bathroom. Really nice shower up there. Huge, huge shower. There's the sink just here. And then the toilet is here. There is a heated towel rail above the toilet. The only thing I would say about this bathroom is we'll have to make sure that we've got this down. Otherwise people can see in, because it's still the old windows. So you want to make sure that's down. But you've got lots of towels and things there as well. So now, as I'm the Lord of the Manor, I'm going to end this video here. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful in any way. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more Diamond Resorts room tours and other room tours for wherever we travel to. And we shall see you on the next one. Bye!